Hey guys, this is Lee and I'm back with another video. I'm here today to show you how to make a fantastic side dish that will surely wow your friends and family for the summer. This is cooking with style. First ingredient that we'll need is 4 large baking potatoes, and you want to dice them about 1/2 inch in cubes. Make sure that they're as uniform as possible, and you want to wash and dry them very well. Next ingredient that we're going to need is some nice applewood smoked bacon. You also want to take a knife to them and dice them about 1/4 inch. If you can make them into squares, that's perfect so that they all will cook evenly. Next, it's time to assemble our olive oil and spices: chili powder, black pepper, granulated onion, paprika, and kosher salt. Now let's mince up some garlic and grab our Italian seasoning and get ready to assemble this for the oven. Now let's take all of our ingredients, toss them all in a stainless steel bowl, and get them ready to be prepped for the oven. Now you want to evenly lay them out onto a baking tray and preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You're going to bake these for about 30 minutes, turning them with a spatula after about 15 minutes. The best part about this is the raw bacon will cook alongside with the potatoes, and it will infuse the potatoes with that smoky flavor. Now while your potatoes are in the oven, go ahead and grab your fresh parsley, your fresh scallions, and your chives and lightly chop them in reserve. And also go ahead and grab your shredded cheese blend to be ready for when the potatoes are almost done. Now once your potatoes have hit that 30-minute mark, they should be fork tender. Now what you're going to do is take half of your cheese and sprinkle it all around. Then put it back in the oven and add it for about another 6 minutes so that cheese gets melted and starts to crisp up. Now that those potatoes are all crisp and done, you want to take the rest of your cheese and all of your herbs, toss them all together in a bowl, get them nicely mixed, and serve them in your favorite bowl garnished with a little bit of fresh rosemary. And if you'd like, you can always put a dollop of sour cream right in the middle. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to please subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and turn on the notifications so you can stay up to date with new content. Enjoy and keep cooking with style.